I'm a criminal. Mama, I'm a criminal, criminal. Mama, I'm a criminal. Mama, I'm a criminal.
Happy Friday, y'all. We are back with another episode of Bossy Build, and today we are going to be taking out the fuel tanks and ripping a few things out of the engine bay. Hope you guys like it. Let's go. I am putting a lot of time in this truck and trying to get my YouTube channel going. So if you guys could, please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. That'll just further encourage me more to get some stuff done on this thing. So if y'all are planning on taking your fuel tanks off ever, or somewhere along the line needing to get your fuel tanks disconnected or lines disconnected, you will need this. Otherwise, it'll be basically impossible to get your fuel lines off. This is a disconnect kit. I bought it off of Amazon. I will have the link in the description. I think it was like 30 or 40 bucks. I did have trouble on one of my connectors. When you start to do the job, you'll notice there's like teeth that grip around the part on the end of the fuel line, and one of my teeth were actually bent too far, so I had to put a screwdriver flathead down and kind of permanently unseat that one and then stick these clips down. But besides that, for the other three, they worked phenomenal, and I highly recommend them. They also work for quite a few different other types of lines: AC lines, oil lines, fuel lines, radiator lines. But definitely get this kit if you're going to be doing the fuel tank job.
Oh, shit.
Let's go!
Yeah, that's good for the views, but not for my new shirt.
Or that just turns into a work shirt now.
All my shirts turn into work shirts.
All of
just
them.
like that.
That's why I'm in this shit.
You did it before me. Oh, fuck. Drop it. Getting it on camera.
Alright guys, we're another step closer on the OBS. Today my buddy and channel regular, McGuire, made it, came and helped me take out the back fuel cell. And then pizza took fucking forever to come, so he left before it even came. And I ate and just dropped the front fuel cell.
It ain't got no gas in it.
But we're looking pretty empty back here. That's what I'm talking about.
YouTube. I'm building a go-kart track at the crib. You can hold me to that.
All right, thank you guys for tuning in to another episode. Whether it's fast or slow, progress is progress. And we are getting closer to a badass OBS. Stay tuned for next week. See y'all later.